We are a non-maintained committee-run preschool situated on the site of Berriew Pre-school. We are open to all children from the age of 2 to 4 years and offer foundation learning, childcare and Flying Start provision. It's our vision for Berriew Pre-school to support children to be confident, creative, independent learners. We do this by offering children the freedom to choose where they would like to take their learning and offering lots of uninterrupted play. Schema training was very much a light bulb moment for us as a setting. It really promoted the importance on how we continue to develop our enabling environment and experiences on offer for all children. Schemas are patterns of repeated behaviours that we would notice children do within their own play and learning. So it's really important for us as staff to observe children in the moment within their own play, taking note of each individual interest and sharing that as a team.
Oh no! What's happened?
We as a team pride ourselves on really getting to know our children, knowing when to intervene and step back.
Can you put it in your pot?
Together as a team, we meet up to discuss our children and their interests and how we can really promote their schematic interests within our enabling environment by simply adding authentic resources, such as for children who showcase an interest in the rotational schema, we could add whisks and turn handle drills, as well as ribbons and lots of pouring and tipping activities. We could also plan for invitations to play where we could offer cooking activities to really promote that mixing alongside the children. The enabling adult plays a very important role to have that member of staff on hand in the moment to promote children's play, to enhance their play by adding mathematical language.
We've moved on 1, 2. Oh, which one's next?
Or by simply encouraging children to take risks within their own play and learning.
We'd observe the children and put them into their groups of schematic interests and work from there with them. We let the parents know that the children are our focus children for the 2 weeks. Some of the parents will send in some ideas of what the children are interested in at home, which helps us to plan our 2 weeks for them.
We believe by following children's schematic interests and validating children's play, we can really promote our vision and support children to become confident, creative, independent learners.